Morning guys, I'm Stuart and this is the Bin Cleaner Pressure Washing Services, episode 16. Morning. It is a Monday morning and what have we got for you today? Well, we've got a flagged driveway, patio around the back. Not been done for some time, this one, so it should come up really nice. Let's have a look. Right, here we go. This is the one. Look at the state of that. This has not been cleaned for, I'd say, a good few years. There's some grounding up there. I believe that's going to be pink or red. Bring the colour out of these. Go around to the back. They've got a different colour patio around the back. It's like a pale yellow colour. Not as windy today, but overcast. Somebody's doing some DIY. Sorry about that. That's the patio. Plenty black spot on this one. Sorry about the noise. Get you back around the front. I can hear myself think. Right. So that's today's job. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's see how this one turns out. Should be a good one. So with that said, let's get stuck in. See you in a bit. This is called cutting in the edges.
When everything you do is bad. Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe when everything you do is bad. Love me.
See if the customer will move the car.
If I could slow down.
rinse down time. Right, that's the rinse down done. If you're wondering why we do a rinse down, to get rid of all the debris, leaves, stones, stuff like that, because we don't want them because we don't want them getting stuck, do we, in the flat surface cleaner. Blocks it up, and we don't like that. So let's get that flat surface cleaner out and get this sorted.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. I met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. At the festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else, as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
Stop for a minute. Brew time.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
big rinse down.
Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance such, but at least it's still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
Is that bit done? Yeah, for a big rinse down. Might have to let the tank fill up a bit first. Don't know what the water pressure's like here. So, I'll take you back to where we're going to start. Let's have a look at it. So, if you like what you've seen so far, give us a like. Press that like button. Smash that like button. More likes we get, helps the channel, and that's what we want. That's why we're doing it. Yeah, so if you can hit that like button, if you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button as well. We want subscribers. Yeah, so this is looking better. There we go. Needs a good rinse down. Well, get it done. See you in a minute.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters, it comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away. We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. And we'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away.
Watch you again. We can't hear anything, sorry.
You're trying hard to find the answer, when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what
got some bad black spots, so what I'm going to do, put some neat SH here, magic sauce, and I'm going to put that on first, let it soak for a bit before I put the rest on. Diluted. Just been offered a brew. Gonna have a brew. So, what do you think of it so far? Rubbish. Rubbish. I don't know. Yeah, it's coming up nice. Just going to give it a good dose of magic sauce. Brew time. This is me empty. Don't like empty cups. Oh, you're there, aren't you? Don't like empty cups. So, have a brew. There you go. Thank you very much. No, well, another 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. Look at me all lounged. Oh, hi guys. Having my brew. 5 minutes with my brew. Cheers. So, what do you think of it so far? It's coming up a treat, isn't it? If you like what you're seeing, click the like I said, please, if you don't mind. If you've got anything to tell me, put it in the comments down below. That'd be great. We do like comments. We like comments, we like likes, and we like subscribers. I've not much to tell you. I would like to say a massive, massive thank you to everybody who's liking my videos, and to everybody who's subscribing as well. Subscribing as well. It means the world. It really does. Because I do this to take the monotony out of my job. My main job is wheelie bin cleaning. Oh, I got asked yesterday. They'd like to know how I got into what I do. Well, if you look on my past videos, I've got a fantastic video. A question and answers video. I think I might do another one. Because I got asked 2 questions. One was, which came first, the chicken or the egg? From my daughter. And the other one was, how did I get into wheelie bin cleaning? So, if you want the answer to that, go and have a look. I'll put a link up here. Or up here. Never work it out. Yeah, it only takes 5 minutes to watch it. Go on, pop over and have a look. After you've watched this one though. Yeah, if you can think of anything you'd like to see on our videos, my videos, well, I always say our because it's a business. Let me know in the comments. Because when you're working on your own, it's quite difficult to think of ideas of what to do. Like if you're working with somebody else, you've got banter, you bounce off each other, you know what I mean? You can have a laugh and it makes for video content. But when you're working on your own, you can get stuck in a rut, and I feel sometimes that's what I'm doing. I'm giving you the same stuff every time. So yeah, if you can think of anything, please in the comments down below, that'd be fantastic. Let me know what you'd like to see. Bearing in mind we do bins and we do patios and driveways and walls and stuff like that. We don't do car valeting, we don't do gutters, we don't do roofs. You're joking, roofs, you won't catch me on a roof. Anything over 2 rungs and I get sweaty palms. Yeah, so in the comments down below, I'd really appreciate that, thank you. We also had a comment from a subscriber who lives in America, and she said, or he said, I can't remember now. Anyway, this subscriber said that they like it when I say, let's get stuck in. Let's get stuck in. Because they don't have a phrase like that over there, which it seems weird to me. I said to her, thinking again, a t-shirt made with that on it, but then again, looks a bit rude, wouldn't it? Imagine walking down the street and somebody's walking towards you and you've got a t-shirt on that says, let's get stuck in. It's like, ooh, no, I don't think we'll use that as a catchphrase. Maybe only on the videos, but not on t-shirts or anything. If you can, there's a good one. If you can think of any pressure washing related funny quotes, Let me know. Yeah, let me know down below what you could think. Like, who show us your hose and and all that kind of daft stuff. Because yeah, I like that kind of stuff. I'll never grow up. So yeah, 51, 16 up here. Immature? Pff, me? Nah. If I'm immature, what does that make you? Right, I'm gonna finish my brew and get stuck in. Get stuck in. See you in a bit. I'm back. Speaking of ideas, don't just keep them related to pressure washing. Like I say, we do bin cleaning as well. So if you can think of anything related to bin cleaning you want to ask, anything related to pressure washing you want to ask, or you have any ideas or anything like that, yeah, just give us a shout. Or you can go over to Instagram. We have an Instagram account. I'll try and pop that on somehow. I don't know how I'll do that. I'm not that technically minded yet. But yeah, we have an Instagram account. So you can go over there, post on there. Might even ask a question on there, that same question. And then you can answer it for us. Yeah. We're on every social media. People laugh. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It's all on the van. It helps. People say, why do you bother? Why do you spend all your time on that? I do spend a lot of time on it. But a lot of it's work related as well. And plus we have groups on there now for the business that we do. You know, we have a Wheeler Bin Cleaning group. We have Wheeler Bin Cleaners UK group. We have pressure washing groups and stuff like that, you know, and where you can get advice. And then, yeah, that's what it's for, isn't it? Facebook, you know, it's not just about friends and having 1,000 friends and you only know 10 of them. That's me, that. I seem to know everybody. But that's what you get for 25 years of cleaning wheeler bins. You seem to know everybody. Yeah, that's another thing. It can be anywhere in the world. Somebody will go, all right, Stuart, not cleaning bins today. They're like, no, I'm in a different country. But yeah, give us your feedback. That's what we'll call it. Or give us any ideas or anything like that, please. Right. That said, brew's done. Oh, look at that. That's a big tush. That's the front. I think they're trying to tell me something. What do you reckon? Anyway, better get cracking. It's not going to clean itself, is it? Lovely. See you in a bit. Right, so we're starting the back. It's looking nice already, but I'm going to give it a dose of magic sauce. That's what we call it. Because we've got some black spot. I'll just show you the black spot. Hang on. See, it's looking nice already. But look, if you look here. You see that? Can you see that? There you go. Black spot. And over here. And guess what usually causes that? Trees. So yeah. See, look at that. What a difference already. And we've not treated it yet. Good stuff. Let's get you back on the tripod. Get some of that magic sauce down. Right, first off we'll just wet it a bit again before we put any chemical down. Make sure we've got enough holes. Now we can put some chemical on. round to the front. Getting a bit windy again. Honestly, 4 or 5 days of wind we've had. Bonkers. Here you go. Need a bit more. I shall be right back. I'm in. Right, it's that done. We'll want to turn the machine off. Right, done. All soaked up. Let it work its magic. Do you want to have a look? Go on then. There we go. Smells nice. But as you can see, it's working on that treat. A treat. That black spot's nearly gone. There. Nice and bright. Now if you're wondering, before you comment about it, about these base panels here, why don't you wash them, Stuart, as well while you're at it? Because as soon as I touch it with a pressure washer, all the paint comes off. Look, I don't know if you can see that. It's all flaking, cracked. See? So we had a word with the customer, told them, they said it's alright. Don't worry. Customer's always right. What the customer wants, customer gets. Good stuff. Give that 15 minutes. Might even give it a bit longer, put my feet up. Don't forget, guys, give that like button a smash and press that subscribe button if you want to see any more of our videos that we bring out, so you don't miss them. You will be notified. We're going to try and, oh, excuse me, got itchy nose. We're going to try and bring them out on a Sunday, 1 o'clock, and on a Wednesday, 1 o'clock. Try, we'll see what we get, if we're busy enough. Let me know if you think of any other different times that you might want to see our videos. Should we bring them out at a certain time? Or should we just bring them out when they're done? I don't know. I don't know. Does it give you something to look forward to? Do you look forward to them that much? Yeah. Right. I'm going to put my feet up. See there. Oh, that's a bit of a funny angle. Right guys, quick rinse down. We'll have to be quick, so I've hardly any battery left on my phone. Again, rubbish at this. Ooh, ready? Ooh, looking good.
Several song-filled hours later.
Hey guys, right, I am back because I went home for a bite to eat and a brew while this one dried out, because I wanted to show it you dry instead of damp. Happy with this one. It's come up belting. Tell me what you think. Here we go. It's come up nice. Like I said, we get rid of that black spot under there. That's all gone. Nice and bright down there. Still damp in some places. A little puddle there. But look at that. How amazing is that? Now, I don't know if you remember, we showed you a close-up where that black spot was. That one, all gone. Yep, chuffed with that. have another look. I'm dead happy with that. Customer is too, which is a good thing. These black marks are actually in the flag, they're not. I'll show you, get close if I can show you. There, look. It's not black spot or anything like that. It's actually stone in the flag. Yeah, it's a world of difference, that. Great stuff. So, with that said, that's another day for the bin cleaner pressure washing services. If you like what you've seen, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see some more, smash that subscribe button. And we will see you on the next one. Adios.